Wait, what? You maxed the machine out today?
I don't know. That's what I'm hoping to see.
Okay. Good luck. Yeah.
All right. 145. This is as far as I can go. Third set.
We like maxing machines out.
Almost had it. I guess we'll have to go to Shirts, Texas to go to Joel's gym so we can add more weights on top.
Yes.
Getting a little cardio in on the snow day. So I want to point out a couple things on this, from the pictures that we saw. These are the two images of the actual treadmills that Danny and I were on. If you look at the one on the left, that's the one that I had. The one on the right is the one that Danny had. And it can be very deceiving when you go and if you're trying to worry about counting calories on a treadmill, don't do it. Just like we don't count our food, don't worry about counting your calories because there could be a major issue there. And if you look at the one on the left and the one on the right, we pretty much have very similar numbers. She was running, I was walking. She was going at like a 2.5% or 2.5% incline or whatever it was, whatever the scale is they use. But her incline was more. She ran for 20 minutes. I walked for 20 minutes. And the calories were almost the same, but we never put our weights in there. We never put our heights in there. So if you think about it, she might take 2 steps for every 1 step of mine. And that might play a big role. One of the key things that you have to focus on as you're going through this is that you got to remember it's not only the calories you burn while you're working out, you're also burning a lot more calories while you're resting, while you're sleeping, while you're hanging out at your house. Okay, so don't worry about counting those calories. It can be very deceiving when you look at those numbers. So again, hopefully you go to the gym, crank out a good workout. Don't worry about what number shows up because it might not actually be a good indicator of what you're really doing and how many calories you're really burning because that's only for a shortened period of time versus extended time. So work out, just take action and keep going at it.